Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 29th of July 2024. The day is Monday. I'm the member of the community uh, where we are trading the Forex as well as a few commodities. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. For those who are new here, please understand that I'm an independent analyst and I have my own ideas and opinions that I share here on the live stream. So, as I have cleared that I am not the employee of Dukas Copy Bank, so it is not coming from the Dukas Copy research team. It is directly coming from me. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Okay. Now, since I am a technical analyst, I know that everything that I'm going to talk about or that is happening in and around the world is priced already in the chart. So when we look at the chart, we know that the information is present. So if we hear something, oh, the news and okay, we'll not talk about that because it will already be priced into the chart. So we'll only focus ourselves on the chart and try to find out the key levels from seeing at the naked charts, and we'll try how to plan our trades in the direction of the trend which is based on the daily chart. Okay, so we'll base our trend on the basis of the daily chart down, basically daily time frame, and we'll see how we can use those key levels that we are going to frame to our advantage in our trading setups. Okay, so yes, for this webinar we'll only be following the charts or the candlestick charts to be specific. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions at the end of the session. Before I start, I must also inform you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. Please do your own research before you put your real money on the line. That's it. Yeah. So let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer also. Please understand the risk that is associated when you are trading the margin money. It is very essential. Okay. And then only move on to the charts. So the first things first. Now, before I show you the charts, I think I must welcome my friend Sandy here. Hello, Sandy. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you here in time. So this is the US dollar index chart right now on your screen. This is the daily chart. You can see I have not erased anything from the chart from the day that we have seen it last, that is the Friday. And from here, what you can see, okay, I'll just clear these fair value gaps right now. So here we pointed out that the market structure has shifted. So rather than looking for the selling opportunities, we should be now looking for the buying opportunities. This was clear, right? Based on the daily chart, we had made this announcement. Now, when we go to the lower time frames, we see that the channel that we had created is broken with a huge candle. This is a breakout candle. Okay, this is for sure a breakout candle, and even it broke this 104.22. Thereafter, there was some what you call it consolidation or say some pullback to the level of this volume imbalance, from where the price took off again, came into this fair value gap, and is again trying to go up. So all in all, I will say that the price on the US dollar is now trending up, and the next target that I'm looking for here is 104.87 for the US dollar index. Okay, so this is my decision based on this chart. So if I am looking for the US dollar to go up, so consequently I will be looking for the pound to go lower. Yes, so yes, the pound is also going lower. Any rise here should be seen as a selling opportunity now. But no, Rakesh, pound is in an uptrend. Yes, pound is in an uptrend. Yes, that is true. Okay, I'll show you that also. So now you look at this from this swing lows point of view. This swing low was valid to change the market structure, although we have taken this low as the valid low because it had sufficient price action left to the left and to the right. This one also had it, but it was not very prominent low. Although this was a low, but this was not very prominent low. And also when you create a line, putting it to the right side, you will see that this line was traded as resistance once, twice, thrice, and then the price fell off. So yes, this was a valid low to trade it as a swing low, but we did not mention it in the webinar. Mistake from my side, I will say, or rather I will say, because this was not so prominent, this was like a one go. If you look at it at the 4 hour, you will see that yes, that was a valid swing low. But I will not say that this is a mistake. I knew that it is a low, but I did not want to mark it because on the daily it was not so prominent. I hope you understand that part. So this is a prominent low on the daily, and once this breaks, definitely you can go for the selling opportunities. Right now I will not be, based on, because of my chart, I am not looking for selling opportunities right now. Okay, so please be patient with me. When the price drops below this, boom, then you will be looking for the selling opportunity, and that I think will be a more confirmed trade, because right now you see on the 1 day how it is behaving. Even after breaking lower, it is being bought back at this fair value gap and at this order block. Okay, so yes, we are looking for the lower prices, but I think a confirmation will be there when we break below 1.2777. So till then, just stay away. Okay, so what is euro doing? Let's take it to the daily. Euro is also trying to go lower, and it has broken below that swing low that we were talking about. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so now since it has broken below, so any rise to the upside we can look at as a selling opportunity for the euro. Okay, so I'm just removing all this stuff from here. Okay, even this one. So the price was like going lower highs and lower lows. So this should start acting as, now this low should start acting as a resistance. But we have a swing resistance or swing upswing pivot here. So 1.0870 is the now direction changer. If it goes higher than 1.0870, then only we will start again to look for the buying opportunities. Till the time it is trading below 1.0870, we will only be looking for the selling opportunities. What about the Australian dollar? Man, Australian dollar is the same. Any rise should be sold off with a target of 0.6465. I think I don't need to explain more on this, because rather than buying at the current levels, you should be selling at the higher levels. It can find resistance at 0.6577, or maybe it can extend its gains towards 0.6620, from where it can find more sellers to push the prices to the 0.6465 area. New Zealand, I think we have talked about this, that there is a weekly and the daily close below this long-term rising trend line. So we are expecting the price to get rejected from 0.5852 or maybe even lower, then go back to this area and get this conference of resistance there, and then 0.550. Now see, I said sell on dollar strength. Now dollar is rising. You have seen it. Yes, dollar is rising. It is going to rise further. So New Zealand is the weakest currency that you want to sell it with a target of 0.5508. What about the USD CHF? It's showing you a very good price action. A lot of distribution to the downside. 0.8730 is what I'm looking for. It has also traded the fair value gap. Tomorrow I'll be looking for a selling opportunity in this one. It has taken this liquidity also. So any market structure shift on the hourly or 15 minutes should be seen as a selling opportunity. That is what my expectation is. On the daily, it is already going lower highs and lower lows. So the next target will be 0.8730 on this one. What about the USD CAD? We talked about it. When the US dollar will resume its strength, or when the US dollar will stabilize, it will stop being red or stop bleeding, I'll say, then it will go higher. US dollar will go higher against the Canadian, and it is going higher. Even 1.3897, I want to mark it on my chart. See, 1.3899 can be the target for tomorrow. It can be, okay, it can be the target for tomorrow or day after. 1.3985 is the target. Higher, we have more targets which I have not even marked. Okay, so these are here. I don't want to mark them now. Let's first go to 1.3985 as the first target. Okay, USD JPY. USD JPY, I'm thinking of selling on the rise. But if you look at this market structure here, it has failed to go below this low, which I'm not happy about. Like if it would have traded below this, I would have looked for lower prices. But here it seems like there's a point where the market structure is going to shift. If I take you on 1 hour, you may be able to witness that. You see, the market was going lower highs and lower lows, and eventually here the market has shifted the structure. Okay, has started making higher highs and is taking I'll say okay, forget it. So you see, this is a fair value gap from where it is expecting support, and it is getting support also. So I'm expecting higher prices in this one, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But as the US dollar will start rising from here, I think USD JPY will also be bought back, and there's a probability that it will start an uptrend on the daily, maybe. All right, this is also possible. So if it starts something like that, then what will be the potential resistance? Well, right now here we have 157.86 as the next resistance. From 153.94, next resistance is up around 157.86, which is very far. So yes, the price can go to that level also. New Zealand cat, slow and steady. It is trying to go for 0.8087. Later on, it can move towards 0.8065, which is just 20 to 22 points over there. But yes, it is very steadily moving towards the targets. This particular candle on today is suggesting that it has taken this liquidity and is trying to go higher. Well, I will not argue on that, because any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. 0.8201 may offer you another opportunity to go and short the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian. Bitcoin here is also giving us a bearish engulfing on the daily after taking this liquidity here. It is trying to close the day below 68,516, which can push the prices below 63 to 67. In case it is able to finish a close below 68, 63 to 67 levels, then there's a potential of going back towards 56,583, which I think we should be looking for now, with the prices making lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. This may be potential lower high, and there may be a potential low coming around 50,578. Keep that in mind. Okay, right. We are looking for lower prices. Can we say something else about it? Okay, I don't know. Those who are good friends of mine, they already know where is the target. 76.85 to 76.78 is what we are targeting over here. Now, I think if you are already short, you can bring your stop loss above this high of 82.71 maybe. Okay, the potential target is here, so this is your stop loss. So what will be your resistance? I think the high of this green candle, that is 82.55, should be the resistance now. Gold also, we are going to sell the gold, guys. We are going to sell the gold. At any rise we should be selling the gold. Why? Because it has also started making lower highs and lower lows, and the US dollar has started rising. When the US dollar starts rising, generally the gold goes down, and if the gold goes down, boom, below 2349, we can look for lower prices around 2287, and in that case I think it will be head and shoulder breakdown. Well, for the pattern sake, it will be that, and right now we have a resistance at 2432. Keep that also in mind. Japanese index, okay, any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. And I think today also you can see that I think on the 1 hour, the market structure should have shifted already. Okay, the price was going boom, 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 boom up, and then market structure shifted to the downside. So yes, there is more selling on the way for the, what we call it, Nikkei with love. What we call it, Nikkei, yes. Euro JPY, sell on the rise, boom, rise, sold off. So potential target 164.02 on the Euro JPY. Any rise here in this area around 168.02 should be seen as a selling opportunity. GBP AUD rise toward 1.9968 is possible. If the price starts going down from here, 1.9479 should be seen as a selling opportunity. I'm not saying that you press your button here and buy the price. No, you look if it supports the price, then you buy. If it goes to 1.9345, that is perfectly possible for the price to dip to 1.9345, because it has not given any opportunity for these short holders to go long after it broke out from here. Okay, so they should be getting another opportunity. So 1.9345 is an area where you should be looking for going long, or you should anticipate high prices. CHJPY, any rise should be sold off here. We can expect a price is lower. 173.19 is already taken, although with a green candle, but I think with a red candle, if it takes it out, then the price of 170.80 will be exposed first, and later on, if it trades below 170.80, then it can trade 167.30 also. I think more or less we have covered all the price action. Audi New Zealand, we all know that now everybody in the world knows that Audi New Zealand is going for 1.1177 and maybe even higher than that. It has already taken the support around 1.1041. So what is the next level? 1.1177. When will it come? This week. Come on, this week. Okay, this week. Gas. Break. Boom. Came back. Boom. Taken out. Now it has not closed the day, but it has already projected us or given us a hint that I'm going for 1.9113. In this case, you will have a potential resistance at 2.272. That is okay. All things are very clean. All things are very clean, guys. EuroCAD, we are looking for the higher prices here. Okay. So where is my friend who has asked me about the EuroCAD something? I think on the 1 hour I gave him a buy signal somewhere here. Yes, I think here. Boom, boom, boom. Although yes, it is a selling day for the euro, but the price never came back to this area till now. Okay, guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to ask me. If not, then I would like to wrap up this session and we'll have some family time together with my family. If you allow me, please. Guys, sometimes you may think that I'm wrapping up the session very soon, but because there's not much to talk and there's no much interactive of a session, so I try to give my levels to you and just let you decide how you want to use them. Hope you don't mind that. And if you want anything else, you can let me know in the chat. And now I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels, or I will say the levels of inflection from where the prices can reverse or continue in the coming hours and days. Now, my request to you is that if you want to be profitable in the long run, please never risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Although it may seem like, yes, this trade is going to go in my favor and it is going to give me a gazillion of pips. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. Don't risk more than 1%. Trades will keep coming every day, every week, every month. So don't risk more. And with the less risk, like 1%, you can aim for 3%. If it is not there, you don't anticipate 3% from your trade setup, don't take that setup. It's okay. Okay. This is all statistics. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And if possible, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you a happy good day. I wish you a good day. And yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow at 7:20 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.